Whoever could go the longest through the episode without burping or farting is the champion, the winner. And so we did a handshake deal. Now I lost. Apparently I ripped a burp in the middle of...
Not apparently. You know you did.
Apparently I lost because I just let one
fly. Why is it
apparently?
Because
it's apparently. Your Honor, evidence has come to light. Thank you to our fantastically observant YMH audience. I was getting several DMs saying that I, in fact, won the challenge because at the 59-minute mark, you burped and then suppressed the burp